time for the S15 to get a bit of primer. So our Keith, hey, good morning, is about to spray some goodness on it. Now obviously he's done an awful lot of bodywork already, as you can see, but we've got photographs and stuff of that to show you. But yeah, it looks extensive. And our Keith's gonna spray a bit on, so here we go. Tell you what, I'm glad I've got my shorts on, Keith, because my God, it's warm in here. Whoo. Just this second, come off bake? Yeah. That's why I'm sweltering. So what do you know, Keith? Come on, talk to me.
Oh, I'm worn out, mate.
Yeah, I bet you are. I tell you what, that already looks incredible, mate. Incredible.
Well, that's the card, and we're just going to do all the bits.
Do all the bits, and that's basically... You still got to paint the bumpers and things like that?
Yeah, bumpers, side skirts, handles, any...
But now this is actually baked off. What is the process next for the actual bodywork that I'm looking at right now? What other tasks would you have to complete?
Well, we'll mask this, and then have a nib and a polish on it.
A nib and a polish on any bits and bobs?
And any little fine...
What a stunning colour.
Fine little bits.
This is a pearl... I hope it shows up in the video. This is a pearlescent white.
Yeah. WK0.
WK0?
Nissan Pearl White.
Nissan Pearl White. Well, I'll tell you what, it's stunning. Oh, it's too hot in here, mate. I know, I can't wait for the winter, you know. I'm going to be in here on my laptop.
We should get the doors open
Yeah, it's warm. Okay, so we'll come back and watch you spray some bumpers and stuff. I think that'll be a nice little bit of a flick of the wrist action. And then we'll come back for the final refit.
and put it all back together.
We've got a new windscreen to go in, and we've got some new mouldings and stuff to go in, haven't we?
Yeah.
So there's still an awful lot of work to do, but that is... My God, that's beautiful. Well, on this baking hot day, this S15 is finally completed. And it is looking stunning. And I can't express how gorgeous it looks. The paintwork is fantastic. Keith's excelled himself. The windscreens are back in. It had a new screen from Nissan. It's just looking absolutely stunning. Keith's just put the final touch on, put the badge, new badge back on. It's glorious. It's absolutely gorgeous, and Keith should be so proud of himself. What a skill. Look at that beauty. Oh, I could look at it all day. Perfect weather. Perfect car, perfect finish. Absolutely fantastic. Should we go and find Keith? Here he is.
I can hear you.
You can hear me. That's absolutely stunning, Keith.
Do you like it?
Are you proud of yourself? Because I'm proud of you.
It was hard work, mate, I must admit.
Was it?
Yeah. I'm absolutely thrilled with how it looks.
Good man.
I just, that's all you can hope for, ain't it?
Genuinely.
Look at it, out in the sun.
Genuinely, I've never seen a car look as good as that.
It's blinding, ain't it?
Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. I wish the camera could pick it up how good it is. I really wish it could, but it can't. People are going to have to see this at the show. That's what they're going to do. They're going to have to see it at the show. They're going to have to know that Uncle Keith painted it. It's absolutely stunning. I'm amazed how just the way the light hits it. And today, what a beautiful day it is to be handed a car over, mate. Who wouldn't be happy with that? Who would not be happy with that, mate? Pleased as punch, says our Keith. Absolutely stunning. I need a gimbal, don't I? This is sexual. That's still the best I've ever seen.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.